Now, with only 4 days to go for the start of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, there's still no certainty as to whether the newly resurfaced National Stadium track has been or will be certified by World Athletics.
Questions sent on Friday by TVJ Sports to the General Manager of Independence Park Limited, Major Desmond Brown, about the status of the National Stadium track remained unanswered up to sports time. However, Track and Field's global governing body, World Athletics, responded to TVJ's queries about whether the new track will retain the Class 1 certification, which was issued to Reggae and set to expire in July 2026. The Monaco-based body said, quote,
"No, the track cannot retain its certificate as that was for the old track. The track has been retopped with a different material and there needs to be a new certification process as well as measurement."
That was also the conclusion drawn by Peter Brewer of Reggae when TVJ Sports spoke with him a couple days ago.
The track does not have a certificate because our certificate that was issued in 2021, yes, that normally expires after 5 years. So in 2026, that is not valid anymore because the track has been overcoated, the lines have been redone and all that. So to get a new certificate, the track will have to be tested, if it's a Class 1 test, in situ test, or at least samples have to be cut out, sent to a laboratory, tested to get a Class 2 certificate.
World Athletics added,
"The facility will be surveyed by a qualified surveyor and the relevant measurement and level reports is submitted to World Athletics along with the required test report from a World Athletics accredited laboratory, product test for Class 2, full institute test for Class 1.
The world governing body indicated that unless exceptional circumstances, no official from World Athletics will travel to Jamaica to inspect the track at this point. So what is the procedure that needs to be followed? According to World Athletics, quote,
"The track owner or the company doing the development must apply for certification by submitting the necessary materials. Because of the hybrid choice of materials used, Reggae retopped with Reggaeton, there must be some tests done by a World Athletics accredited laboratory as well."
In their words,
"The certification hinges on the actions of the track owner or company laying the track.
In this instance, the IPL and Reggaeton. Another question on people's mind was, can the national track with its current construction Category 3 certificate still be certified as a Class 1 track? World Athletics said,
Yes, subject to its compliance, the facility may receive a Class 1 construction Category 3 certificate.
In order for world records to be ratified by World Athletics, stadiums or competition sites are required to hold a current valid World Athletics facility certificate. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Keon.